Vibrato in 60 seconds. All right. Imagine you've lost your keys. You can't find them. You're getting frustrated. All of a sudden you look on the desk. There's a stack of papers. You see your keys sticking out and you say, aha. Okay. Now we're going to clone the second part of aha. Okay. Both in speed and in pitch. Think circular. Think resonance within the spin. Support this and placement. Here we go. Aha. Aha! 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 Okay? Over and over with practice, timing, pitch, placement, and support. Okay? After you get it going, it's nice and even, start messing with vowels, okay? That's it. Enjoy. Have a great day.